Hey, are you guys ready for adventure today?
Maybe.
You want to do some building? Did you see what we got? Dun dun dun!
Grill.
A new grill. Are you gonna help me build it?
Of course not.
It's like a Home Depot build, only like 100 times bigger.
How much does this weigh?
1,000 pounds.
Could we actually do this?
Yeah,
Yay!
it'll survive. Set it down slowly and carefully though.
Could we open it?
Yep.
Could I?
No, I have to use a sharp knife.
Sharpie.
Yeah, sharp knife. Oh, I need actually something even more than that. Yeah, those are made to not be cut. And I'll cut the tape with that. These guys. These packing straps
Ooh, packing straps.
are tough. Cut the tape. See what we're in for. I'm doing it left-handed. Maybe I should switch. What's in there?
Junk, 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 and more junk.
Okay, there's our building instructions
Ooh, instructions.
and all the parts. You can probably grab that one, Sophia. Is it stuck?
No.
No, it's just tied to this little box of. It's the regulator.
Let me
Huh?
get some of the stuff.
How about this one? You want to get that one?
Ooh.
I know what this is called.
What's it called?
It's called. Whack that on the head gently. That's what it's
You got lightsabers? Show me battle.
Uh-huh.
Who knew there was going to be lightsabers in there?
Nobody did.
Okay, once we get that much out, we'll take this little box of whatever's in there, probably the grills.
Surrender now.
And
Can I
then,
take this out?
no, this part I think, well, sometimes it's easier if we tip the box on its side, but we'll try it.
Can I open this?
We'll try it like that. That one?
Try to open this.
Yeah.
Look, I put it together.
Watch your fingers. Okay.
I want to open.
What do you
Wait,
got
let
in
me grab it. Oh, this is so heavy.
That's just so you.
Maybe if you tip it and dump it,
Yeah.
it'd be easier than pulling it. Or Sophia's helping.
Sophia! Oh!
Slow it down.
I was doing that.
There you go.
Sophia raised it in the air.
Oh, that's the legs.
Sophia, pull that side. Pull.
There you go.
Whoa, legs.
Or, yeah,
I should need some more legs.
there's another leg. More lightsabers inside.
What's inside?
There you go.
Can we build it?
Yep.
Yay!
Let's check out the instructions.
Build.
I put them right there.
Okay.
Build.
Let's see.
Dead.
Problem.
Dead.
Yeah, that's okay. Yes.
There.
Hey, I'm Yoda. Old, and more old. Ah! Ah! I'm Yoda. Ah! Ah! Crazy stick. This thing doesn't even help me. Ah!
Assembly.
I'm Yoda. Mom, I'm Yoda. Awesome. Yes. Woo! I'm
Do not over tighten screws.
Wait. We have more.
Woo! We have more to deliver. No, keep on stacking them. No, stop.
Okay, quite a few steps.
Yeah.
Okay, more boxes inside. Let me cut the straps. Okay, you got that one?
Yeah.
And another little one.
Secret code.
Wow, that's the heavy one right there. That's
There's
gotta
a
be.
secret code to open this.
It's called tape. Here, watch your
Those-
fingers. Okay.
I opened it. With that little thingy thing. The little green thing.
It's a little knife.
Right.
It's a little greeny thing.
No, it's a knife.
No.
I
It's a
will
little
open
greeny thing. It's
You
a
got that
green
one, Sophia?
lightsaber.
One of these is gonna have
Hey!
all poppers. One of these is gonna have all the screws and bolts and stuff that we need.
Maybe mine.
Baby mine.
Oh, over here.
I'll let you pull them out.
What is this thingy?
That looks like one of the little side trays.
Grab it.
Okay, see what it looks like now that it's all unpacked?
Woo!
It has quite a few pieces. It's going to be a little bit more challenging than a Home Depot build or a Lowe's build.
Yeah.
How many parts do you think it has?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 30.
Okay. Step one.
Let's look at the instructions.
They give you this big pack of all the bolts and screws, but one nice thing is the instructions. They're labeled by their letter, so when they need a certain size, you just punch it out from the back, which is pretty cool. Nick, you gonna help me with these legs? Put them together? I'm gonna screw some bolts together.
Woo!
2 legs. This bottom part, that's where the gas tank's gonna go.
The back through.
Yeah, this is gonna be very hard for me to try to do with one hand and a camera. Okay, go ahead and slide that a little closer. So, bolts and nuts. You're gonna need a bolt through right there in that corner. It's gonna push all the way from the top to the bottom. And slide that together a little bit. Careful, you'll knock the whole thing over. It's fragile until we get a couple of screws in it. Bolts. Did it go all the way through? I'll put these in over here just to hold it together on this side. There we go.
Yeah.
Okay.
Went all the way through.
Can you get that on the bottom of it? I'll get this other.
Which way? This way?
With the big side will go up.
Okay.
If you can get it started by hand, then we'll tighten it with tools. Okay, so then just hold the nut on the bottom with your finger and use the screwdriver on the top. I'll get you a wrench for the nut on the bottom if we need it, but I don't think we do. Feel tight?
Yeah. But I was doing it the wrong way. I think. I don't know which way. Is it this way?
That makes it loose. That makes it tight. There you go. Keep that bolt from spinning. There you go. nut from keep that nut from spinning. That feels pretty good.
Yeah.
Okay.
This way or that way?
This way.
Okay.
Try to hold it straight in. There you go.
Wait.
That's good enough. Daddy will tighten it when we're done. And do the next one. You're getting it. And then there's ones down on the bottom too.
I'm doing it.
You're doing great.
Good job.
And one on this bottom over here. That one's good.
I tighten.
Mm-hmm. That's good. High five. Okay,
More.
let me tighten those ones and we'll go to the next step.
Wrong.
Go ahead and get those screws in. That'll attach the panel to the legs.
Now this is just easy. That was hard.
Easy, hard, hard, easy.
This thing is hard. That was easy.
There's an ant checking out our new grill.
Okay, move on to the next one. If they need a final tightening, Daddy will get it. You get them as good as you can and I'll double check them.
Okay.
Good job. And then over on this side. These ones I haven't started yet. How's it going, basketball girl?
Look it. I'm pretending I'm sewing it.
Good moves.
You're pretending you're bounce passing
Yeah.
to another person.
Yeah.
Come on.
You got it. Step 4, wheels. Ooh, should we put wheels on it? Are you gonna do the wheels, Sophia? Okay. Here, let's hold them for now. We're gonna need that bar, the axle. The axle.
I am a cooker.
A cooker?
Like that thing.
You're a builder.
You got those wheels? Here's the axle. I'll show you how they go together. You'll need to start on... Yeah, you got it. Yeah,
There.
almost. Put it in from this side. That's why I want you to stand over here and start this way.
Like that.
Uh-huh. Yeah. Now this. Uh-huh. Okay, now poke it through there. Uh-huh. Keep it going. More. All the way. Poke it.
I got it.
Poke it on this side. Okay. Now we need the other tire. The other wheel.
I got it now.
Yeah. But first, that. Now the bumpy side. Yeah, you got it. Bumpy side inside. Uh-huh. Okay, now this, I don't know if you can do this. This little pin, poke the straight part through the hole. I don't know if you can do that, cotter pin.
Like that?
Yeah, can you get it in there? You
Wait.
gotta push more. You got it lined up right, you just gotta push it. It'll snap. Don't put your finger on that side. But Daddy better do this. Check it out, do they work? Okay, that was step 4. That was easy. Except these little feet. One each. One for Sophia, one for Nick. They go with the triangle on the outside in here.
It all goes in here.
Yes, just like Sophia's got it already. And the triangle points to the outside. You have yours upside down, Nick. There you go. Triangle on the outside. You got it. So, I'm going to let you hammer it, but I don't want you to go crazy on it. I want you to use the side of the hammer and tap it. Okay? Don't go all crazy on it. Use a little more power than that. Okay. Yours is in. And yours is in. Good job, hammer. Hammer team. High five.
I need it quicker.
Yep, high five, hammer team. That is a lot of fives. Next step. To figure this one out. I need your help to figure this one out. See, step 6 says it needs 2 people to do.
Yay.
Does that mean it needs you two? I don't think so. I think that means that it's heavy and it takes 2 grown-ups to do that.
Hey, I'm a grown up. Blah, blah, blah.
Maybe I'll bring you back for step 7. It's starting to look like a barbecue.
What?
It's starting to look like a barbecue now.
No, it's not.
Try it from this side. What do you
No,
think?
it's not.
Yes, it does.
Does it look like a barbecue? It's getting there. These screws up here attach the grill part to the table part. No, from underneath, right here.
Oh.
That guy. Uh-huh. And another one here in the front. Good job. 2 more for the other side.
Okay.
Yep, just get as tight as you can. I'll finish it up. They don't have to be super tight. Just daddy hand tight. Hold the screwdriver straight to the screw. There you go.
We're doing it again.
That one's kind of tight or not lined up right. Let me see the screwdriver. There we go. That was the last one. That's probably why it didn't line up perfect. Let's check that one. Oh, you did great on that one.
I know.
Okay.
I did extra hard on that
You did.
one.
5. That was like 60.
No, it was like 5. You said high 5.
Sophia, are you my helper on this one?
Okay.
We have 4 bolts. I'll point them out. There's one right there.
1, 2. 1, 2.
That one first. I think you got it. Okay, then this one?
No, it isn't done.
Not done.
See that?
Mm-hmm. Just take it as far as you can, then Daddy will finish it off.
That's as far as I can.
That's awesome. And this one,
And that one.
right? That's number 2,
that one.
number 3, and right there, way down at the bottom.
I'll do this one.
Okay. You totally got it.
I'm doing it with my fingers.
Yeah, you won't need the screwdriver really until the very end. That's good. I'll finish it off. This one up here.
First I'm gonna do it with my fingers and then this.
Okay. Good job. I'll get that one. That one's kind of tight. I think it's just the way that the metal lined up.
Oh yeah.
Good job. 5. We did on the other side? This side's just like that.
Not that one, not that one.
Right, up. That one way up top. Can you get up in there?
That
Here.
one hard.
There. Try it. No, try it again. Now that I'm supporting its weight. Probably spin easier now.
Right there.
Mm-hmm. And then the little one in the, yeah, you got it. Little one in the corner.
And that one?
That one is already tightened. And then there's one down on the bottom. A little one.
That one?
Nope.
That one?
Nope.
That one.
That one, yeah. Good job. Awesome. 5. Thank you.
No!
Those 2 little screws right there.
Come on.
Yeah. Good. Wait a minute. Are you building or are you doing a dance?
Or am I doing both?
Are you dance building? Okay, let me double check them. Grab that little black knob down there.
Oh, I know what we're gonna do.
Yeah, I think you can handle this part. Okay, knob.
This?
Yeah. It's on there? There you go. I heard it. 5. Okay, next one. Got it. And
The last one.
next one. Last one. That's upside down though. There we go. My bad, because I gave it to you upside down. Okay, now is it starting to look like a barbecue?
No.
It totally looks like a barbecue.
No, it doesn't.
I got something even better here though. Here.
Really?
Now,
I already
now,
fought for that.
now you look like a barbecue.
Now you look like a barbecue.
Perfect. I love my new shirt. Ah. Okay, so we got gas.
Yes.
We're all assembled. We got the stickers off.
Stickers off.
You ready to give it a try?
Maybe.
Let's make sure. I think I turned it on. Oh, no. Okay. Let's give it some gas. Push that button.
This button?
Yep. Again. Okay, got fire. So don't need to push again. Turn that knob. You gotta push it in first. There you go. It's not, you don't have to push it that hard. Just push it, turn it. Once lit, push and turn. Push, turn. Okay? Push, turn. Now hit that igniter clicker button again.
Ugh.
Make sure we're all lit.
It does make good music.
Okay, so stand back. We gotta let it. We gotta burn it in.
Hey,
We have fire.
my hand's wet.
Yep. Can you feel it? Don't get any closer than that. But you can feel the warmth coming.
Ooh. Whoa.
So should we do hamburgers tonight?
Yes! Ooh, can we do these? Oopsie. Get out of here!
Bubble wrap. Here, watch this, Sophia.